to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Tina. And Tina is talking a whole lot of stuff. And guys, you're going to want to go and catch this because I don't know what could have caused all this. However, she's talking about Bob and Lorraine. And she's throwing out, dashing out a lot of things. She's saying that Bob was looking her at one point, because he was interested in her. And, she just let it slide because, she's not interested in him and whatever. So, guys, you're going to have to go and catch the video to hear Tori or story, whatever you may call it. Because Tina, she's chatting about things about Lorraine and Bob over there. So, go catch the video, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you all that your heart desires this year and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my wonderful followers, subscribers, and friends, have a beautiful day. And remember, today's Valentine's Day is when we share love and we show the persons that we love how much we love them. Yes. However, love shouldn't be a one-day thing, but people go all out on this day to show how much they care. So, guys, do your very best and make that someone that is special in your life feel as special as they are. And, guys, remember, just have yourselves a beautiful day, a beautiful night. Enjoy on yourself on this, your Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful one now.
Around the circle, it never ends. Bob, you know, say you need clothes, bitch. Big pussy Bob, you know, say you need clothes. Suck pussy Bob, you know, say you need clothes. With the water in your head, you know, say you need clothes. Every tongue Bob. Where you mad about? Cause you never get my pussy for suck, dirty man. You're not my type. And when you come from my live, them years they ago, before anybody know who Lorraine was. When they come from my live and I look me just heal you up and go on about my business because my sister you is a weirdo. You look like a blood clot weirdo. You look like a pedophile. And you give me the EBGBs. Somebody just say hi to you when you come from my live and I send you your way. And then you start calling my first lady because you fall in love with me and you had an internet crush on me. And at that, Lorraine say I need a mother. Lorraine, me don't want Bob. You understand me, Lorraine? Me know say you're short a man. And no man really no want you down in Maryland because you're washed up. But me no want Bob. I don't want him. He's not mine. So whatever store you sit down and I cook up, you don't. It's like if you can't drop evidence, don't come out and cook it up for try tab or this and this and that and that and that. Me did tell you to leave me alone. And you never listen. I told you. You thought I was bluffing? Bitch? Lorraine Campbell, did you think I was bluffing when I told you to leave me alone? I wasn't bluffing, bitch. And the reason why me I thought this strong because I know say you not have no secret for me, bitch. None. Me is not that girl there, the woman there. Where the woman name? Where the woman name where living at Queens and you supposed to come go to the woman yard. And you must go to the woman yard and get in an ass out and mix up with the woman. I forgot the I forgot the woman name. What the woman name again? The woman will live at Queens, man. No, not Sophie. One woman will live at Queens and I did like her vibes did alright. That big woman there was there at Queens and Lorraine left Maryland and go at Queens for meet up with the woman and the woman said no, she meet her in the road because she never want Lorraine know spot she live. You remember that woman there, that big woman there, man? Free. What the woman name again? Lorraine fuck over everybody. Where did they round her? Fuck over everybody. No, sister Lorraine and a good people. She fuck over everybody when they around her. I can't remember the lady name. Freddie, you remember the lady where they live at Queens? And Lorraine did left Maryland go look for the woman in a Queens. And the woman must have said she don't want her yard. And the woman meet her. The woman meet her in the middle of the road. You remember that woman there? Frig. Festive, 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 festive. Festive, thank you, festive. Look how you fuck over festive. Me not tell a lie, festive was a big man where my spirit did take, yeah? My spirit did take festive. Because she have a look of vibe to her. Me just stay to the side and listen to her. Me never friend her, me never talk to festive yet, not like that. But you know, from listening to her, I say that woman a vibe cool, man. You know what I mean? I want me look. Me say Lorraine tie up the woman in a fuckery. Lorraine, you's not a good person. That's why your face twist up in a blood clot. That's why you're not a teeth in your head. You're not a good person. Cause everybody come around you so take with themselves. You's not a good person. E. Do all over the place. All you for say, baby girl, listen to this. All him for be that not enemy. And they all over the place, but then a friend them there. Under them live, cuss me. Anybody where cuss me, him itch up underneath it. Like, that don't make no sense. Why would you team with somebody's, with your enemy? It just don't make no sense. Set a mad people them in a clean clothes. Eh? Nobody make Lorraine send you out, come do no fuckery. You hear my Bob? Right? Don't make Lorraine send you out for do no fuckery. Not do our dirty work for her. I should have sent out people. Like up the live, people. Like up the live. What my phone there? Hold on there. Let me see if I have any. Hold on there. Hold on there. May I get my other phone, people? Yeah? Give me a second. Yeah. Let me get my phone. My other phone. I probably need to charge it again. Oh, boy. May I look? But, oh, no. The files, them, they in the other phone. Yeah, I want you to push out back her head again. Push out back your head. Yeah? I tell you, I know enough people, Lorraine. You think me an idiot? You say for stay over here? All right, I'm going to stay over here, so. All right, Marencha. All right, Freddie, I'm going to stay over here, so, Freddie. May I stay over here, so? Eh. But boss. And that fly up in her head in a baby girl. When she hear him a call her, this Batman Bob I call her boss. And that fly up in her head, you know. Cause she remember, you know, nobody don't know her in her life, you know. At the first she get a look, you know, people at first people really a look upon her and a give her look knowings. You know what I'm there? Yeah. Right? At the first, she get a little knowings, you know, in her life. Because remember, she a reject, you know. Them reject her in her life, you know, because from the man kick her about in a waterhouse. And she run away come a foreign under asylum. Nobody not really fought upon her. She a reject. So boom, now she come on the internet and whatever. She get a little knowings, you know. She da attach herself to Dana. Dana kick her to the. She the one Dana build house for somebody with fear and nobody not build no house for her. So she turn against Dana now and say she a fight corruption. But me never know say that she did that do, you know. Me never know say oh she did beg Dana, you know. Me never know say oh she did beg Dana and Dana kick her to the curb. Right? If me didn't know me, that hold my one side. You understand? If me didn't know say oh she did a beg Dana and Dana kick her to the curb, me would have hold my one side and fight my battles then by myself. You get what me I try say? But a long after this girl I come talk about she a burn out corruption and she had this and that. And you know me then I listen to her. Me think the girl was for real. But when I realize the more she go, the more me I realize say Lorraine is only about mix up. She not about no corruption. And she have this thing where she record everybody. She record Julia, almost make Julia get her life taken away to backside. Eh? With her carelessness. Yeah, she want to be a boss. But Coupon she took. You have a spell. But with her done self. But she want to be boss over here, sir. Who the fuck is she? The damn underprivileged drunk crow. Like she ain't a body, but she want people boss her up and give her the name boss. Boss Maross. And you can't have a spell, bitch. You can't have a spell. You not even look right in her clothes. You not have a clothes by your back and you want people boss you. You cock up there in the dark every day. Every day in the dark, every morning in the dark with your steel mouth and your rancid pussy. You know the dark. But boss, yeah. You're Bob, big pussy Bob, no? But boss, yeah, boss. And she feel good enough. With her handicapped self, like she really had to do something, like she a really boss. You big stinking pussy bitch, yo. Go suck your mama Lorraine. Boss. Boss Maross. Every day I come on the internet, come fuck with people. I think this girl really a fight corruption. All any good evidence gone down the blood clot drain. Any little good evidence she have gone down the drain because this bitch was only interested in a hype and fame. That's all she interested in. She never really interested in a fight in corruption. So all of the good evidence gone. Gone. You understand? Let me see what you say. It's mad people because they don't use like yeah. Set of mad people. But I look at him, me never make sure come on my yard. But I look at him, me not stay them weird if I be like, hey, come on my house. Hey, know me, honestly, still, me cool like that with people, when it come on to people coming at my house. You know what I mean? Because, this is America. You invite somebody, like, come, let's go hang. What a lucky thing, me never send her no invite. Jesus, thank God me never meet up with Jesus, baby girl. Can you imagine? What a lucky thing me keep my distance, them weird there. Pussy clot. I would be in for a week. A rude awakening. You see like what's your name there, my girl, Festive? Go meet up with her. What a lucky thing me never meet up with the bitch. Ah? Cause next time I go meet up with her, you that hear. Me see her and she this and she should have at that time should have shit for say. Eh? Suppose me did meet up with her or go eat or anything like that. At that time should I have shit for say. For talk about she couldn't order this and she couldn't order that. And then, you remember what she did with Maxine? You see what she did with Maxine? Maxine invite her to her house. And she go on Maxine yard, go scrape up Maxine. And I say Maxine, me know say not all broke, but me I say all broke, just for all broke's sake. Right? She go on Maxine house, go scrape up all broke at Maxine house. Can you imagine this bitch was say she have it like that? Go on Maxine yard. Go see Maxine all broke them and scrape them up for bring go her yard. You know, sister like girl and about her. And then after, girl, Freddie, me learn, listen, me never, well, them time there, Freddie, honestly, but it suspect her with things, so they kind of keep her at a distance still. So she was one of them who would never come on my yard, because she's a suspect. You get what me I say? Like up the life, people. Would I never make she come on my yard, because like when I say she's a suspect. You understand? So it's like even when me did know of her on the internet, me keep my distance. Yeah. Because I say something off about that bitch. Yeah. I'm never really interested for be up close with her them weird. I'm not telling no lie. I'm never interested. So the fact that She never come, she me never be interested for say, oh, come on me yard. Cause she's not my type of friend who I hang out with. You understand me? And she's not the type of people who will say, come on, go have, because she's too embarrassing. She's vulgar. Me for go invite her out for go have a drink or something like that, and she's gonna be, yeah, look pan goodie. Look pan, see I'm like what she do at Sophia house. Right? You remember when she go at Sophia house and go live and then they name the girl cake, the girl cake and all them something there, and then come liberty the girl and talk about oh the girl dash her belly. Yo, she not nice. She no blood clot nice. Me glad me never make she come close to me. Look what she do Sophie. Look what she do festive. Eh? Pussy clot. Look how she talk. She style Sophie like dog. I talk about all the woman dash. Oh you I gotta go. Oh, you I got go in a people house, nyam people food, right? And then come back to America and cuss off the people them. And then I talk about all the food, run your belly, and all poison in it, and this and that. Like, bitch, she doesn't say Lorraine a drunk, bro. No, man. Lorraine is a drunk, bro. You understand me? What me I do with she in my yard? Like up the live, guys. What a lucky thing me not really meet people like that because let me tell you now, right? This are the first in all my years of being on social media. Me not really chat up to bloggers and vloggers. Me not tell you no lie. Me not, yeah, remember I know, me come back on Facebook in 2013 and me not really chat up to vloggers. I think one of the only vloggers me really did chat up to Paya and that was briefly, it was Wally. Because Wally was like a social media sensation at the time and stuff like that. She was the only, and me and her exchange words maybe twice, and that was it. But other than that, me and nobody on this app never really exchange words like that. Our friend up, as far as bloggers is concerned. Me and the bloggers are a friend like that. No, it wasn't until Miss Lady, she a Florida, come on the app and you know different, it kind of changed the dynamics a bit. You know, she changed the dynamics with all of them bloggers they was spring up underneath her out of the blue. And them have one bag of mad people she breed up. She breed up, Donna breed up one up of mad people. And just so happens that Lorraine was one of the mad people them when Donna breed up. Yeah man. Lorraine breed up, Donna breed up Lorraine. And the rest of the mad people them were up on the app. Dana breed them up. Yes. And she might not have knowingly breed them up, but she breed them up. You understand? Because here what? You see the type of people them where the type of people them where follow you, yeah. Is a reflection of who you are. So if you're up on the internet and you love Mixup, and them type of people they are gonna follow you. If you're up on the internet and you like certain things, and them type of people they are gonna follow you. And it's something that people do subconsciously. So it's kind of like a herd following. You know what I mean? It's not like you deliberately do it, but that's the type of people who will follow you based on your personality. And people don't realize that, but it's real. I did a class on this. Right? I did a class on this. The people that will follow you upon social media is a reflection of who you are in a real life. And because of how Dana is, she spring up a whole bunch of mad people. Because she herself kind of, you know, she herself kind of weird. So she spring up a lot of people who is like her. And Lorraine is one of them. I think she's on meds. It's possible she's on psych meds. I think she's probably, yeah, schizophrenic or something like that. Something off with her. Because I don't know how you sit down and get up and tell up them story about people. And just believe it. You tell the story them about people, believe it, and then come out and talk about it like you know for sure. That's what it is. You don't know for sure. But McCall, DSS, what DC? Well, I don't even freaking know what they call them. Y'all think I'm an idiot? What reason would I do that for? Why would I call that on your grandchild? Why would I do that? I don't even know you like that. Why would I do that? But you fuck with so much people you don't even know who fi accuse. Drunk raw. Yeah. But if you hear the girl a scream out pon the live. She lie and hey, she will get you unalive, you know. That's how dangerous she is. Her mouth is very dangerous. And yo, me? Hey, somebody said to me last night, me for be very careful. And trust me, don't ask if me not be very careful. You understand? Don't ask because these people are sick. Especially Lorraine. Listen to all Lorraine a scream pon the live. Eh? Look how Lorraine a scream pon the live. Like say me do her something or me know her. Me do you nothing, Lorraine? A scream and a yell out and a go on like say she have a psychotic episode. Exactly. She said someone gave out her address. And oh, so oh. But who she said give pants mouth her address? Because me not know. Who did she say give pants mouth her address? Because me hear she said on her life say somebody the person go share that little part there with me say somebody give out her address or something like that. Somebody tell me who she said give out her address. I couldn't me shut up because I'm not interested in her. And me not chat to pants mode. Oh, Dwayne. Oh, okay. Oh, because me I say I couldn't me because me not interested in her like that. She needs psych evaluation. She's dangerous. And that's why she run left Jamaica. She dangerous, man.